In a world where love is tested by the most unforgiving circumstances, Kenneth and Maria's extraordinary journey unfolds in BBAT Enterprises. This gripping and dramatic love story follows the couple as they navigate the treacherous waters of illness, adversity, and unexpected challenges. Kenneth, a dedicated husband and IT manager in corporate America, finds his life forever altered when he becomes trapped in a harrowing cycle of visible and invisible disabilities. Paralysis, severe ailments, blindness, and kidney disease plague his every waking moment, threatening to shatter his spirit and the foundation of their marriage. Maria, a resilient marketing executive and a loving mother of 2 boys, is blindsided by her husband's catastrophic ailments. Forced to become his primary caretaker, she must summon unwavering strength and resilience to balance her demanding job and the needs of her family. As fate would have it, their world takes an even darker turn when Maria loses her job, right at the onset of the pandemic. Struggling to make ends meet and facing an uncertain future, their faith in God becomes their guiding light. Driven by their unbreakable bond, Kenneth and Maria make a daring decision. With determination coursing through their veins, they embark on a journey to start their own businesses, all while Kenneth continues to work in the unforgiving landscape of corporate America. BBAT Enterprises is a cinematic and emotionally charged tale of love, resilience, and the power of faith. It explores the depths of the human spirit as it confronts unimaginable challenges, reminding us that even amidst the darkest storms, there is always hope for redemption, love, and a newfound purpose. Prepare to be captivated by their remarkable story as Kenneth and Maria defy the odds, find strength in each other, and emerge victorious in the face of adversity. This real-life epic will be coming soon to a social media channel near you.